Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cryptic Wisdom. According to Buddha, finding true peace and inner strength involves a dedicated commitment to the Noble Eightfold Path. This path includes right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. By cultivating right understanding, one gains insight into the Four Noble Truths, recognizing the nature of suffering and its causes. Right intention involves fostering thoughts of renunciation, goodwill, and harmlessness. Ethical conduct through right speech, right action, and right livelihood ensures that one's behavior is aligned with principles of non-harming and compassion. These practices create a foundation for inner tranquility by reducing external conflicts and fostering harmony with others. True peace and inner strength are further developed through mental discipline and mindfulness. Right effort involves the diligent practice of abandoning unwholesome states and nurturing wholesome ones. Mindfulness, or right mindfulness, means maintaining a present moment awareness of thoughts, emotions, and sensations without attachment or aversion. This mindful awareness helps in understanding the transient nature of all experiences, reducing the grip of desires and aversions. Right concentration, cultivated through meditation, leads to deep states of mental stillness and clarity. Together, these practices foster a profound inner peace and resilience, enabling one to remain balanced and serene amidst life's challenges. By following this path, individuals can achieve a state of inner freedom and lasting peace. So friends, let's start today's story. Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled between lush green hills, there lived a young man named Ananda. Despite having everything one could desire, Ananda felt a persistent sense of unrest and dissatisfaction. He often found himself caught in the tumult of emotions and thoughts, longing for a peace he couldn't grasp. One day, while meditating under a banyan tree by a tranquil river, he overheard travelers speaking of a wise teacher named Buddha, who had discovered the path to true peace and inner strength. Intrigued and hopeful, Ananda set out on a journey to find the Buddha. After weeks of arduous travel, he arrived at the Buddha's monastery. Upon meeting the Buddha, Ananda expressed his yearning for peace and strength. The Buddha, with his serene presence and compassionate eyes, welcomed him warmly. To find true peace and inner strength, the Buddha began, one must understand the nature of suffering and follow the Noble Eightfold Path. The Buddha then explained the Four Noble Truths to Ananda. Life is marked by suffering, he said, which arises from desire and attachment. By understanding the cause of suffering, one can find the way to its cessation. The path to end suffering is the Noble Eightfold Path. Ananda listened intently, feeling a glimmer of hope in his heart. He decided to stay at the monastery and learn more about this path. Ananda began with the first step of the path, right understanding. The Buddha taught him to see things as they truly are, beyond illusions and misconceptions. Ananda spent hours meditating, observing his thoughts and emotions without judgment. Gradually, he began to understand the impermanent and interconnected nature of all things. This insight brought a sense of clarity and acceptance, laying the foundation for his inner peace. Next, Ananda focused on right intention, cultivating thoughts of renunciation, goodwill, and harmlessness. He practiced letting go of his attachments and desires, which had been the root of his suffering. Ananda found that by nurturing thoughts of kindness and compassion, he felt a growing sense of contentment and strength within himself. The Buddha then guided Ananda to practice right speech, right action, and right livelihood. Ananda learned to speak truthfully and kindly, to act with compassion and integrity, and to engage in work that did not harm others. These ethical practices helped Ananda build harmonious relationships and live a life aligned with his values, further enhancing his sense of inner peace. Ananda's journey continued with right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. He diligently worked to abandon unwholesome states of mind and cultivate wholesome ones. Through mindfulness, he remained present and aware, observing his thoughts and emotions without attachment. This practice deepened his understanding of the transient nature of experiences, reducing his cravings and aversions. With the Buddha's guidance, Ananda developed his concentration through meditation. He learned to quiet his mind and focus his attention, achieving states of deep stillness and clarity. These meditative practices strengthened his mind, allowing him to remain calm and centered even in challenging situations. As months turned into years, Ananda's dedication bore fruit. He felt a profound sense of inner peace and strength that he had never known before. He realized that true peace came not from external circumstances but from within, from understanding the nature of reality and cultivating a disciplined and compassionate mind. One day, Ananda approached the Buddha, gratitude shining in his eyes. "Master," he said, "I have found the peace and strength I sought. Your teachings have transformed my life." The Buddha smiled, his eyes filled with compassion. "Remember, Ananda, the path to peace and strength is a lifelong journey. Continue to practice diligently and share this wisdom with others, so they too may find the peace you have discovered." Ananda returned to his village, carrying the Buddha's teachings in his heart. He shared his journey with others, guiding them on the path to true peace and inner strength. The village flourished as more and more people embraced the Noble Eightfold Path. Ananda's life became a testament to the transformative power of the Buddha's teachings, a beacon of hope and serenity for all who sought the same peace he had found.